Alright guys, we just got out, alhamdulillah. So now we're gonna find a vehicle to take me to my hotel. Then from there, we're just gonna chill, relax for a bit, and then I'm gonna take you guys out for a walk. Alright, let's see you guys the first view of Entebbe. How's the weather? Raining or it's hot?
Rain.
Yeah.
Sometimes the morning.
It's raining. Yeah. No, you guys have beautiful green, man. Yeah. A lot of nice green, you know.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Alright guys, gonna go in our car. Alhamdulillah. Finally able to board. And yeah, so let's go and explore Entebbe, guys. Woo. So there's nobody else, yeah?
Yeah?
There's nobody else?
Yeah.
It's just me. Yeah. There's another person or nobody else?
Yeah. I want to go into first bed etiquette here.
Okay. Can I? Okay, no problem. Okay. So guys, we are in Entebbe. Actually, this is not my first time in Entebbe. This is my 5th time in Entebbe. I come here quite often. I have some business partners here, so you know, I do need to come to Entebbe every year, at least once or twice. So guys, this is Entebbe, and the skyline is blue, but there's a lot of green, you know, which is very, very nice. You know, green, it's really good for the eyes. You know, people don't recognize that. You know, when you see a lot of vegetables, or when you see a lot of trees, and when you see a lot of parks and you know, flowers and things like that, they're good for the eyes. You know, it's nutrition for our eyes. So yeah, man, this is beautiful Entebbe. We're gonna be here for the next week, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys out. I want to show you guys around town. This is my first actually scenes and glimpse of outside the airport. You know, I think there's a construction work going on, probably to expand the airport or something like that. Yeah, so guys, alhamdulillah. So I want to show you guys around the city as we drive towards the hotel. And yeah, so guys, this is Entebbe. You know, actually I have a great interesting story. When I last came to Entebbe the first time back in 2014, you know, it was really an eye-opening for me, because you know, living in Mogadishu and you know, Nairobi and London, those are the 3 places that I spend most of my time at. But you know, when I met Entebbe, or when I finally discovered Entebbe in 2014, you know, I've been coming here every year. It's a little quick getaway place. It's only like 2 hours drive from Mogadishu, and yeah, it's a nice thing, man. It's very, very quiet town, which is to my liking. You know, I've been to Kampala, but Kampala is very jammed. I rather prefer to stay in Entebbe, simply because Entebbe, you know, it's a presidential palace is here also, and it's a lot quieter, it's a lot greener. You know, it's my kind of scene, you know. So yeah guys, so let's go drive around to my hotel, and then you guys can see the view. All right. What language do they speak in Uganda?
So it's good camera.
Yeah, so GoPro.
Yeah.
Say hi. You want to say hi to them?
It's the video they're recording.
It's video recording. Yeah, so it's very small, and you know, security never like camera.
Yeah.
So sometimes every security around the world, every police, they all hate camera. So sometimes when you're traveling, you can, you can, you know
put
what I
this
mean?
one.
Yeah, you know. So yeah, it gives you that view. But it gives you a nice view.
Nice
Yeah.
camera.
Yeah, it gives you a nice view. So guys, we are finally in the Pearl of Africa. Alhamdulillah, we're back. Like I said, this is my 5th time here. I'm with my brother. What's your name, brother? What's your name, man? Huh?
Yes.
What's your name? Your
My
name?
name is Brian.
Brian, yeah.
Yeah,
Mashallah, I'm in Brian. Brian picked me up from the airport. So we are going to Hidden Treasure, one of the best hotels that I go to whenever I come to Entebbe. It's private, it's quiet, near the airport. You have the UNDB, right?
Yeah.
The UN right next to you. You can just walk to, you have a nice highway, there's Boda Bodas. So it's a nice hotel that I enjoy.
Zaina. Mulese kusaba.
My bro.
One.
Uganda?
Uganda lines.
Lines.
Yeah.
What's that?
Line.
Phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'll be here till Friday. So I'm thinking, should I buy a SIM card? Is it worth it, or should I just use the wireless for the hotel wireless? Because the hotel has wireless, right? Yeah.
I put my number, then I call to
Okay, or you on call? Yeah, WhatsApp. I'll definitely take the WhatsApp. I'll definitely take the WhatsApp.
My phone is there every time it's online.
You're online?
Yeah, it's because the business.
Yeah, mashallah. So you do private business? That's good, man. That's good. Why don't you learn about online business? Why don't you learn about how to make money on the internet? A lot of people are making money on YouTube. Yeah. Guys, this is Entebbe. Yes, I remember the hotel somewhere here.
That was
here.
The Brical.
Yeah, guys, I remember the hotel because UNDP is here.
Yeah.
Best Western Hotel is all the way to this road. And Hidden Treasure Hotel is like here. Yes, I remember. Guys, this is Hidden Treasure. I haven't been to this hotel in 3 years. Like I said, it's a very hotel that I highly relax. It's very cool. It's called Hidden Treasure. So it is a hidden treasure. So guys, I'm gonna take you to my room. I'm gonna check in and I'm gonna show you guys all around, inshallah. See you guys in a bit. Right guys, good morning. Fresh day in Entebbe. I've had a really good sleep. You know, I had a stomach problem last night, so the only thing I ate was the meal from the flight, which I think you guys saw. That banana really gave me enough energy. So it's a good morning, it's a fresh morning, and it's now, I think, let me look at the time, it's nearly 9 o'clock, 8:50. I have a meeting, so I'm gonna go finish that business meeting, and then I want to show you guys from my route from the hotel to the business meeting. I don't know whether to take an Uber or whether to take a Boda Boda. You know I'm wearing a suit. I'm not supposed to be wear dry on a Boda Boda, but you know, as an African, you gotta be very flexible because there can be a lot of traffic jams, and you know, when you have a lot of cars, especially now with Uber and everybody going to work and school and whatnot, it's gonna be pretty hectic. So I might take a Boda Boda or I might take an Uber, but either way, I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, how am I looking today? Looking fly, right? Yeah, man. So let's go. So guys, I just ordered a Boda Boda from distance. Best Western Hotel. It should cost me 2,000. Let's see how much he charges me. Yes, brother. I want to go to Western Hotel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
Oh yeah?
You know where it is?
Oh yeah?
Best Western Hotel. Western Hotel. Best Western Hotel near Victoria Mall. Yeah, how much?
5.
Yeah, 2,000, brother. Why 5? It's too much, man.
Okay, steady.
I won't put you on the film. I record myself. To the hotel and I'll show you guys how it is. Let's go. I think inside that checkpoint. Boda Boda. Go slow, yeah? Go fast, yeah? We're on the Boda Boda. Like I said, I'm not a fan of Uber, so I usually take the Boda Boda, but let's watch the town. Go slow, yeah? Go fast. It's dangerous, man. I want to ask you, yeah? I want to ask. Yeah, brother, we're out here, man. Trying to enjoy the little vibes out here, bro. So, like I said, that's all I take. I don't take nothing else, man. You know what I mean? So, just asking as well for, yeah, man, it's all about Boda Boda. How much is it? 3, yeah? I have 10.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, 7. Alright, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Yeah, guys, that was a little tour on a Boda Boda. So I'm gonna show you guys more as we go along. So I'm back to my hotel. I'm gonna relax for a bit and then I'm gonna go out. See you guys in a bit.